Good day, beautiful people. I'm Justina and welcome back to my channel DIY Natural Skincare. Today, super short, quick video about how to make your own DIY eyelash growth serum. So I do have this empty jar, as you see. This is like for eyeliner, but I don't use any eyeliner or anything, so I'm just gonna use for my in evenings for my hair growth serum. Okay, so what we'll do all, of course, natural, organic, oil based. We're gonna need three main ingredients, which is I am having here Argan Oil, which is good for the hair growth, as we all know. Castor Oil as well keeps your hair, in this case your eyelashes very soft and kind of moisture, and it's really good for your eyelash growth. And olive oil, it's super oil, just it's underestimated for so many of the people. Then I just will add a high strength vitamin E oil, and literally 1 or 2 drops of rosemary essential oil. So little tube here, little funnel here. And I will just try to put three similar parts of each. There is like no specific recipe or anything, you know. You can if you wish, you can add coconut oil. Some people do add the coconut oil, like fractionated coconut oil, which is really good for your eyelashes, as well. Sweet almond oil, you know, check on the internet. There are so many great oils and they have so many different benefits as well, each of them. And just gonna top it up with my olive oil, extra virgin olive oil, just literally a bit. And I'm gonna add 1 drop of vitamin E oil. Vitamin E, it's super thick. Oopsie daisy, okay. And just gonna add, because we're gonna use for the eyelashes, I mean not the way you put in mascara, you know, but for beside the roots. I just literally gonna be careful with this. I literally gonna add only 1 drop of rosemary. 2 drops of rosemary essential oil. And yes, that is it. Making sure that everything is inside. Look at this, how it looks like. See? Oh, so cool. Yeah, so the ladies, the way you put your mascara in the mornings, well, the way I put mascara in the mornings, after I wash myself, I wash my face. In most of the mornings I do put. So this is for your nighttime. To place it, I'm not making any promises that, you know, you will put, you know, 2 days, 2 nights, or week in a row, and your eyelashes will grow thick and long. You know, it's a whenever you're using a natural product, it's a long-term kind of goal, okay? You will see in the long term, you know, usually, yeah, whatever they say, it will last maybe 1, 2, or even 3 months. It's the same, very similar if you will start to use facial oil. You're not gonna see straight away any of the great benefits or changes in your skin straight away after a week of using or anything. It will take minimum a month. So just be patient, try it. It's natural, make it yourself, super simple, super easy to do, and give it a try. And see you next week. Bye.